ट्रिक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक कुकिंग चॅनल सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार माझ्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर मानता तुमी सगळीं बरी आसली सावध आनी भलायकी. सो टुडे आय एम गोइंग टू शो यू ऑल अ क्विक recipe or quick drink, fizzy drink, that is our beetroot mojito. So we'll add beetroot, syrup, then some squeezed lime, and some cumin powder, basil leaves, these are from our garden, so we'll crush and then we will put. We'll add this into this. Some chaat masala, you can add some black salt, a pinch is fine. And now we will add our soda. Enjoy this beetroot mojito. Thank you.
And here it is ready to drink.